used to wake up without confidence, till I woke up with you right by my side. I didn't think that you would show up like you did, and you turned my life upside down. Oh, your love has got me high, never wanna say goodbye. It's like my world's on fire, like my world's on fire. This is where we're meant to be, singing to this melody. Oh, this melody.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm doing another DIY glam project. I decided to do a large version of that Gallerie inspired glitter wall art. I hope you enjoy. I started by heading into my local dollar store and taking a look at their canvases. Now I wanted a fairly large one as I wanted it to go above my mirrored console table, so I ended up choosing this one in the size 30 by 40. Once I got it home, I then took some masking tape. Now what I want to do here, guys, is spray paint the sides gold. So I'm just going to take that masking tape and put it right round the canvas.
Like my world's on fire, this is where we're meant to be, singing to this melody, oh this melody.
Once I'd secured it all, I then took it outside with my favourite gold spray paint. And what I'm doing here, guys, is I'm spraying the sides, but what it's going to actually create is another frame on the inside. You can see here that the spray paint is just doing a light dusting over the top of the tape. Now once I take off the tape, not only is the sides gold, but it has created another frame on the inside. You're then going to take your hot glue gun, and this is where we're going to create the design. Now you want to start from the very middle. It's going to be like the sun is bursting out.
I look at you, you make me blind.
You're going to continue around until you have this design. I then took it outside, and again with that gold spray paint. What I'm going to do here, guys, is I'm just going to spray a complete circle on the inside of the design. Once it was all complete and dry, it's now time for the fun part, adding the glitter. So I took my favourite Mod Podge, and what we're going to do here is we're just going to start off with the gold glitter. Using a small paintbrush, I'm going around every second line with the Mod Podge. I then add the gold glitter to the top. Once I was happy with the result, I then go over the remaining lines with the Mod Podge and add my favourite silver glitter.
I'm in love. There's something about you. I wish you were mine.
You're going to repeat that same method until all are covered. I then take my trusty hairspray, and what I'm going to do here, guys, is go over with at least 3 or 4 coats. This helps when you're using glitter. Glitter can either be your best friend or your biggest enemy, so I definitely recommend lots of hairspray here to secure everything in place.
Watching you smile, watching you smile. Now I can't get over you, I'm losing my mind. All of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine.
love anything that sparkles, and I'm always thinking of new and interesting ways of showing you DIY projects that anyone could do. Gallerie have some stunning pieces of glitter wall art. Unfortunately, we don't have them here in Australia, so I had to put my thinking cap on and came up with my own design of a glitter wall art. I have a lot of gold decor throughout my home, and I love the combination of silver and gold in this piece. If you've been watching my previous videos, I also did this DIY glitter cushion. I'll leave a link to that video for you down below.
Something about you, I wish you were mine.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle and I'm the creator of Shell's Glam Home. I love bringing simple and inexpensive ways for you to decorate your home's glam.
Closer every day, you'll find it within, you'll find it within. She might feel the same, get out there, get your shit together, then you can say at least
I would so love for you to join my channel. I upload videos of DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours of glam home decor. Don't forget you can also follow me over on Instagram at Shell's Glam Home too. I upload daily guides of many things glam. I love sharing my home ideas and videos with you, and I'd love for you to follow along.
It's better to try and fall than not to try at all. She might feel the same, get out again.
Guys, with the fall season fast approaching for my overseas friends, today I sat down and I bought out all my pumpkin decor. Every year, because we are in the middle of winter here in Australia, I like to play along with all the fall decorating. I absolutely love how my overseas friends decorate with pumpkins right through to Halloween, and that's exactly what I do. So next week, guys, I will be starting my pumpkin fall series, and I hope you can find some inspiration as you prepare for that season. And for my Australian friends, I know winter is still here and nothing is more cozy than watching a video that inspires you to decorate your homes for that season. Leave me a comment down below if you're excited to start decorating with pumpkins.
From the first step that we take.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to have a go at your very own large glitter canvas.
On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home.
Brings out the
Until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
You say that I'm crazy,